Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to read Peppa Pig class trip. Peppa and her friends are going on a class trip. Let's check that all you are here, says Madame Gazelle. Dear, cries Peppa. Woof, bow, grunts, snort. Today, says Madame Gazelle, we are going on a trip to mountains. Hooray! Cheers all the children. Peppa and Suzy are already a little hungry. Can we eat our lunches now, please? They ask Madame Gazelle. Why don't you eat your apples and save the rest for our picnic? The teacher replies. Crunch, crunch. The bus has arrived at the foot of the mountain. The road is very steepy. Come on, bus, you can make it, cheers everyone. Peppa and her friend have finally made it to the top of the mountain. Look at the view, guessed Madame Gazelle. All the children look out over the valley. Wow! Exclaims Peppa loudly. Wow! 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 Peppa hears in the distance. What was that? She asks. It's your echo, Peppa, replies Madame Gazelle. The kids all take turns making noise to hear the echoes. Grunt, woof, ba, snort. Now it's time for a picnic lunch. Peppa loves picnic. Everyone loves picnics. Munch, slurp, crunch. Yum, yum. Where are the ducks? asks Peppa, taking a bite of her sandwich. They always turn up when they have picnics. Quack, quack, quack. Here comes a duck. Hello, would you like some bread? asks Peppa them. Peppa asks them. The ducks are very lucky today. The kids brought plenty of extra bread to feed them. Everyone hops back on the bus. It's time to go home. Let's all sing a song, suggests Madame Gazelle. La la la. Everyone has had a great day. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe my channel. See you soon with the next story. Bye bye.